Want to win one of 10 iPads or up to $10,000? It's the 25th anniversary of .com, so tell us how .com has changed your life. Write your story at howdoyou.com and you could win.
Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. File Finder, and welcome to the Sweet Stuff Going Mobile. This week I'm doing part 2 of a 2-part series on 10 free photo applications for your Android phone. First 5 last week, finishing up this week with the last 5, so let's get to it. First up is Pixay Photo Edit. Now when it comes up, you just tap Get a Picture, and it'll bring up your pictures, or you see here you can pick, or you can also take a picture. After you've tapped on a picture, you get this dialog come up, and tap on the menu key, and you get this menu: word balloon, title, stickers, effects, export, and more. And so we're going to tap on word balloon. Also, I think it's kind of cool. So now you see we have our balloons here. You got a variety of colors you can pick from. I'm just going to type something in here. If you tap the arrow to the right, you get a variety of balloons that you can pick from: speech, thought, whisper. When you have things looking the way you want, you just tap this little green check mark in the corner, and you see there's our caption box. We can move it around. Up next is Photoshop.com Mobile. We looked at this before on the iPhone, and it brings up your photos on your phone, or you can also go online. We'll just tap a photo, and when that comes up, you can tap the menu key, and then when the menu comes up, you can upload it, delete it, set it as wallpaper. If you've picked multiple pictures, you can do a slideshow, or you can tap Edit. And after you've pressed Edit, you get a menu up here where you can change the exposure, the saturation, the tint, black and white, contrast, brightness. You can add a variety of filters, edit and enhance your photos, do slideshows, and more. Nicely done. Up next is Pixel. This is another one we've looked at on the iPhone. It's a really slick program for working with your photos and sharing them. If you tap on a photo, you can upload it, edit the details, edit the image, and so on. You can also set up pipes that allow you to send your photos to a large number of sites: Twitter, Facebook, Evernote, and many, many, many more. They can show your location. You can enable auto upload from your camera. Just lots and lots of cool pictures. You can add tags to your photos. Here's a picture. I've said to edit the photo. You can put in a title, a caption, tags, and then save your changes. So PixelPipe, excellent program for working and sharing your photos. Up next is Retro Camera. This one is slick. Now this one comes up in landscape mode, and if you tap the camera over here on the right, you can see information about this camera. You can slide to the left and get another camera. Then you just press the back arrow, and then you can take a picture by tapping this button here, but it uses the flash. What I'd rather show you are the pictures by tapping this. And when it does, you can see this is a jug. This is taken with the 1950s camera, and you can share the print, delete the print, share the app, or cancel. So a slick way to be able to take pictures with a variety of different cameras from different periods of time. And last up is Kids Frames. You can get a picture, open your camera. We'll tap Get Picture, and then it brings up your photos. We'll just tap one here. And when you've tapped a picture, you get a variety of frames come up. So I'm just going to pick one here, and then you've got your picture in a frame. So this concludes this 2-part series on 10 free photo apps for your Android phone. I hope you liked it. I'll be back next week with more cool mobile software to talk about. I hope you'll join me. And until then, for all the sweet stuff, stay right here on Butterscotch.com. Hey, this is Doc. I know a lot of you watch my show, so if you'd like to show your support, head on over to hover.com/sweetstuff and get domains for 10% off. You show your support. Hover is easy to use and lets you get domain names and make the most out of them. Thanks.